Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I gonna to talk about situation with Pyth Crypto Network. So I made my first video about Pyth Network in this date, you can see, and the price around 24 cent in that date. And here the person 22 hours ago commented like this, 2 months later 14 cent. Okay, a lot of people in the moment of crash, they see fear and they are selling in panic, and then they are writing negative or hate to blogger when price crashed. I recommended to buy Pyth Network at 24 cent like here, and after that Pyth Network crashed, and he said 2 months later Pyth Network crashed. A person cannot wait a long time. So any crypto coin is growing in long time. Don't try to get rich quickly, because that's not good way. That's disappointment, and you will get out from crypto market. You will just quit from crypto market because you waited to get rich quickly. But that's not possible in investing in spot. But even if you go to the futures trading and try to get rich quickly, yes, one time you can be, maybe, but that's again probability of that is 1% or less than 1%. But you earn big money one time, but the second and third time and other times you will lose on futures. Of course, I don't recommend to use future trading. I prefer to investing in sport and long distance. That's long distance is a high reward. Long distance is a big profit. So, and I said, do your diversification when you investing in crypto stocks. So that's your own problem. If you invest in Pyth Network, only in Pyth Network your all deposit, and only one time here, and wait that Pyth Network will grow in momentum pretty quickly. That's your problem. So a lot of people can wait maximum 2 months or a few months, some one of them 1 year, and after a while a lot of people just quit from crypto market because they see there is no growing, where is my grow, and they get out from market, of course, because they have no patience. Let me show you example on Terra Luna, for example. So in the process of listing, so when Terra Luna was a new project, if I don't wrong, it listed on September, and in 2020, you can see after listing, Terra Luna has been crushed and stay here in a long time, from September, October, November. Maybe Terra Luna is not the example like he stay so long on the bottom, but by the way, in 2 months, 3 months, it stay on the bottom, and a lot of people said Terra Luna is scam, it will be not grow in this price, and who believe? Of course, only 1% of people invested here, and then wait here and have a pretty huge growing like this. A lot of people sold here who invested here. Only 1% or less than 1% stay, hold, and here get out from here to here, and only 0.000, I don't know how much, 0%, 1% could get out from Terra Luna here or even here. Again, that's less than 0.1% in my opinion. Let me show you example on Solana also. Here you can see Solana crash, go up and again crash. So, but this is actually accumulation, but you can see how much month: September, October, November, December, and after a while growing started. Okay, let's see another example like OM Mantra. You can see it's listed here. You can see 2021 at the price here 88 cents. After a while it's crushed, and again he continue crush, and there is no growing, that's only crush. And you can see here 2021, 2022, 2023, and until 2024 is crush, and there is no growing. The new project, who believe? Almost 99% of people didn't believe on this coin. But after a while, what happens? You can see what happens. Oil mantra start growing pretty high, and no one waited for this growing like $9 here, up to $9. And after a while, growing of mantra like this, like huge growing, like few hundred x profit. After a while, oil mantra becomes scam and crushed, of course, because big capital would like to get out from oil mantra with few hundred x profit. Yeah, okay, that's it. So you can see. By the way, I don't recommend to buy oil mantra, but even someone is buying, maybe someone is buying, but I'm not buying oil mantra because the project already finished, I think, and there is pretty small probability to recover back to here. Again, let's follow the situation. I will be wrong also. I can be wrong, but I'm not investing on this. It's better to invest in other projects like Starknet. Here is Starknet at 13 cents. That's pretty good. That's pretty nice to see. So Starknet is also not growing, and people not believe on Starknet. Of course. Who will buy Starknet at this price? Only 1%, 2%, maybe maximum 10% of people. Maximum. Of course, who will believe? After a while, when the price will start growing, people will start jump into the Starknet at 2.50, here to the $8 or even 50, 19. So I'm showing you my first goal of Starknet. Anyways, what I want to say, that you need to have a patience. We don't know the current, the accurate time when it will start growing, but the long distance of accumulation, the higher growing potential will be, in my opinion. So this is good chance to buy while the price on the bottom, while no one want to buy, while extreme fair right now. I recommend to invest in Pyth Network as a part of your portfolio. Okay, and I also recommend to invest in Athena. So if I remember correctly, Donald Trump also holds this coin in their portfolio, in his portfolio, and now is a good price to buy Athena. Don't wait here, buy in current one. If price come here, you will buy it again, more again, once again. But now is a good chance, don't miss out, to invest in Athena, okay? That's my recommendation, and include this portfolio. It must be, in my opinion, around 1%, 2%, or if you are favorite, then you can include 5% of your portfolio, Athena coin. When others are fair, and of course extreme fair, who will buy? Of course, no one, only 1%, of course. Because of crush and negative news are coming out that these coins are crushing, these coins are scam. Of course, when we check out the negative the news of crypto, when I see the crypto news like Arizona governor vetoes Bitcoin bill, faces backlash from community, and you can see here some news like this. Fact, Arizona pension funds are only 76% founded, ranking 36th in nation. So Governor Hobbs vetoed Arizona Bitcoin Reserve Bill because it's to understand for the state's retirement system. Anyways, go here and let's see this one. Crypto hacks surge to 92 million in April 2025. 92 million is really big money in crypto market? Of course not. For exchange and $92 million hack, it means crypto crash, really? That's funny, of course, of course, of course. South Korean presidential candidates count 16 million crypto investors ahead of Jan election report. Of course, coming the news when market crashed. So this is your chance to invest in these crypto coins. All your life on your hands. Decision up to you. You want to stay in the same place without growing, without earning big money, or you want to anyways make decision and invest in crypto market and in any market when it's crashed, by the way. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. I am saying you see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, I forgot to say that I have Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. My thoughts, my podcasts, my recommendations you can find out in my Telegram channel. Here, link in my bio. You can press here and join. And also I will leave the link down below, and you can join just pressing to my link. Okay guys, I'm saying you see you in the next video. Bye bye.